KnowledgeSmart administrators can stay in touch with the activity on their admin dashboard via activating a handy activity summary email. So this activity summary email and related settings can be found by clicking on this gear icon on the right-hand side of the admin dashboard. Next, you can select the relative period that the data will be connected to, whether that be the last 7 days, last 30 days, or last 90 days, and so on. So for today's example, let's choose the last 365 days, and we notice those little summary visualizations update on the main admin dashboard. So if we go to summary emails, we see here that emails are sent on the first day of the selected time period, and we also notice that the email will contain all data from the account and its linked accounts. So now I have the option to set the frequency of the email delivery, whether that be monthly, quarterly, or biannually. And once I've made my selection, I can just click Save. I also have the option just to click Send Now, which will then send this email to me right in this moment. I can also click View Now to open up an HTML version of that email within the internet browser. So here let's take a look at an example of the HTML version of the activity summary report. So here we can see a summary of what subscription plan we are working on at the moment and the number of active users based on that relative period that you have selected. Next up, the account hierarchy. So what is the parent account? How many linked accounts do I have? How many administrators do I have? And how many sub-admins do I have? Then down to some data linked to the user data or user profile data. So we have 16 users in this specific account. They are 13 employees and 3 contractors. We have some invite history data coming up next. So the number of invites sent over the last 30 days, 90 days, and 365 days. Next up, invite status. So how many invites are sitting in a not started, in progress, or completed status this month, so the current month. Next up, we look at the most frequently used assessment over the last year, the average score, the average time, and the number of completed assessments. Result summary is next. So we can see that over the last 365 days, there has been a total of 36 assessments. Our top training tag for this team was work sharing, and we can see that there were 6 employees involved in this result summary data. Last up, we have some global benchmark summary data for you to review, and that's just so that you can compare your average scores and time with our global benchmark data, and we only show our most popular assessments down here. So Revit Architecture, MEP Structure, and AutoCAD Civil 3D. When you click Learn More, you're taken over to our dedicated benchmark page where you can see a lot more detail around the global benchmark data that we have available. If you wanted to take a look at a little summary video around our Power BI template, you can click on the video link at the bottom here. So that, in a nutshell, is our activity summary report that you can view instantly or schedule to receive as per the frequency that you specify. I hope the support video was helpful for you. See you in the next one.